Hey, welcome to my channel. And the fact that you are here watching this intro video means a lot to me, because that means that you want to know what my channel is about. In this channel, you will find three things, but before we get into that, let me tell you a little bit about me so that you know what to expect from me. I was born in Guatemala in a village called Todos Santos, Cuchumatan. It's a beautiful place, beautiful people, lots of color, lots of culture, and the food is delicious. It's all made at home with fresh organic ingredients. If you have a chance to go visit my village, I encourage you to do so, because you will have a great time and you will never forget that experience. About 10 years ago, I moved here in the United States to go to work and go to school. So I finished high school here, but I couldn't keep going to college because I couldn't get a loan or scholarships or pay for it myself and all of that fun stuff, since my parents lived in Guatemala. So I dropped out of college and I started looking for a job in an auto repair shop as an apprentice, and thankfully I was able to get one without any experience. So I worked at that shop for a year, and the owner of the shop taught me everything about the basics of auto repair, like things like tearing an engine apart and then building it back up, etc. So Dan, if you ever watch this video, thank you very much for teaching me what I know now, because that's how I make a living now, and I'm very thankful for that. So after a year working at that shop, and I wanted to stay at that shop, but I couldn't stay at the shop for some reasons that maybe I'll tell you in another video. But then I went to work for a collision shop, and I worked at the collision shop for another year, and then I went to start a real estate business. That real estate business failed 3 months later, but out of that failure, my mobile mechanic business came out. Since then, I've been a mobile mechanic for about 3 years now, and in these 3 years, I've learned a lot of things, which I wish I knew when I first started my mobile mechanic business. So I will be sharing those experiences with you here in this channel. So one of the things that you will find here on this channel is me sharing about how to build a successful mobile mechanic business, because that's the topic that I'm good at. So if you want to start a mobile mechanic business, or you already started one, maybe you can learn something from me. So check out my videos on how to build a mobile mechanic business under the playlist How to Build a Mobile Mechanic Business. The second thing that you will find here on this channel is information about different models that have problems. Like, for example, the Nissan models that have a CVT transmission problem. You can find those videos under the playlist Warnings About Your Car. The third thing that you will find on this channel is videos about how to fix cars. But I don't upload many of these videos because I think that there are a lot of those videos out there. So that's not my main focus here on this channel. But you can find those videos that I make under the playlist Fix It Yourself. So those are the three things that you will find here on my channel. First, videos for mobile mechanics, how to build a successful mobile mechanic business. The second thing is information about different models that have problems. And the third thing is videos about how to fix cars. So if my videos add value to your life, I would really appreciate it if you could help me out with these following three things, because these videos do take time for me to make. Like I have to do research, write them, and then record them, and then edit them, and then upload them, things like that. It does take time. I'm not complaining. I chose to do this. So but I would really appreciate it if you could do these three things for me. It would help me a lot if you comment on the videos that you watch here on my channel. And you can comment whatever you want. You can ask me a question, or you can criticize my videos. Like, you can tell me what I could do better, or you can ask me to make a video about a certain topic. The second thing is, if you like the video, then hit the I like it button. If you don't like the video, then hit the I don't like it button. I'll explain why in a little bit. The third thing is subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. And here is why I ask these 3 things of you. If you comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, this helps me with the YouTube algorithms. This means that YouTube will push out my videos to more people, and the more people watch my videos, the more content I can make, and the better quality of content I can make for you. I know that you will comment, like, and subscribe to my channel because you are awesome. Thank you very much. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.